Hi and welcome. So you've just jumped into your very own duck pond. That's amazing and congratulations. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the fun and helpful features you now have access to. First, go to duckpressprinting.com. If this is your first visit, it may prompt you to sign in. Once you are in, you will automatically be taken to your duck pond. Here you will see 3 or 4 sections depending on whether you are a member or an administrator. These sections are duck pond management, personal products, account details, as well as orders and quotes. If you are a member and not an administrator, you will not see the duck pond management section. Now from here, you can manage every part of your duck pond experience. Let me show you. Under Duck Pond Management, you can check on order progress and group orders, manage your team and members and administrators, and even organize your product in view and manage products. Under Personal Products, you can see a quick and easy visual library of all your available products, making it simple to click, design, and order. Below that are your account details. Here, you can manage all of the personal details that link you to your account, such as view and edit personal details, change password, and even upload files. And finally, in the orders and quotes section, you can do everything from check on order status to view proofs and even pay invoices. As you can see, your duck pond was specifically built to make ordering and reordering your most printed items quick and effortless. Well, that's all, folks. You're now up to date on all the wonderful things your duck pond can do. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more helpful videos on using DuckPress and Duck Pond's products, simply scroll over Resources and click on Designer Tools. There you will find our video tutorial library full of beneficial information and helpful templates. Once again, congrats on your new duck pond. Let's get quacking.